Hello, A plus traders. I believe and I hope you are very happy to hear my voice today. Alright, today I want to share with you a detailed analysis on USDZAR. I've been tracking this pair for over 4 months now, though I don't have any position on it, but I've been tracking it for over 4 months, waiting for that good entry for me to pull the trigger. In trading you need to be patient. When you are scanning the chart, you need to wait for price to come to you before you pull the trigger, before you execute that buy or sell position. Alright, but before we jump into the USDZAR chart, if you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do that. Our YouTube channel name is A Plus Trading Hub. We have lots of videos that will help boost your trading career and also spin you to the top and you stay profitable too. Alright, so let's move into the chart right away. Just in passing, this is AUDJPY. Short term bearish on this pair. Last week I sent out a sell signal on AUDJPY on a Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel, and we were selling from here. And price went down. So I'm still holding the trade because I expect price to drop down to this level, and I set my BE. So if price take me out of BE, I'll wait for price again here before I pull the trigger again. So this is just in passing. Let's go to the chart of the day, USD South African run, and we start from the monthly time frame. Looking at this chart, you have seen I've plotted out the trend and the key turning point already. It's very clear and obvious that we have series of higher lows here. See price moving in a straight uptrend. Wow. At least I tried today on my drawing. So we get to see price breaking out, breakout and retest, breakout again and retest, then push up, breaks out and retest, push up, and now price is currently here, and I expect price to tag the trend line resistance, this other part of the trend line, before the next drop. So we may see this happen in weeks to come, but this is the time to start tracking this pair, to keep your eye on this pair so you don't miss that one more move up to this trend line resistance before we see the next corrections just like these ones. Alright, so let's look at the weekly time frame and see what's happening there. Alright, the weekly time frame is also still clear that price is going up. Here was a I've tried that one. Here was a correction here, a bigger correction, then price pushed up and price is hovering above here to another correction. If you notice one thing, the pattern on this USDZAR, you notice that one price make a big impulse, it will spend time, maybe some weeks or maybe 2 months to correct, to give a bigger correction before the next impulse. If you notice on this chart, that is the pattern. Let's go to the monthly again so you can actually see this pattern that I'm explaining here. See, this was a pullback, a correction, then impulse, very strong impulse, another correction, impulse, we have a small correction here, then impulse. There is another correction happening at that zone. So, and where we are having this correction, this is where we need to start looking for our entry price. So here on the daily, I've plotted out this. This is the key turning point from the monthly time frame. You see, this level here is a key turning point and price has not broken below here. So I want to have my entries around this zone. Well, you know, as a swing trader, I can't, not like I can't, but it's not that nice to stay on the daily time frame to look for an entry. So it's best I go to the 4-hour time frame. So price did this already. This is more like a correction. I want to see one more drop, and when I get that bullish impulse from this lows here, or some bullish signals, I will take my trade from there and ride it to the top. Up here will be the TP1, and your final TP will be at this trendline resistance here. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame to fine tune our entries. So here is how the 4-hour is looking at like. This is a 4-hour. So you need to patiently wait for price to break this correction here, break that correction there, drop down, tag this bottom, then we look for our signals from this zone and join the trade to the upside. If let's say you are trading a small you have a small equity, let's say $500 and $200 or $300, don't hold that trade back to that trendline resistance. Once you take that buy from here and price tag this level where we have this other trend line, take off your profit, because price may do one more push down again before pushing up. So make sure you don't miss the buying opportunity from this zone here. Don't miss the opportunity from this zone. So that is the projection on USDZAR, that is US dollar South African rand. If you learned a thing or two from this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any questions, comments below this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Then if you want to learn more about price action, click the link below this video. Thank you. I wish you more pips this week.